Hi there, I'm Olivia from Drafted. Drafted is the leading recruiting software for high-growth companies. We bring together all aspects of the hiring process from referrals, sourcing, outreach, and engagement, streamlined into one platform for your talent organization. I'm here to give you a brief overview on how it works. Drafted intelligently matches top candidates in your extended company network to your open roles. Drafted will help you find, qualify, and connect with candidates instantly. You can send personalized outreach to the candidates you want to speak with. But if you request an introduction from your employees, Drafted will help you increase your candidate response rate to 80%. Drafted sends smart referral suggestions to your employees to make referring even easier. It's easy to keep track of these referrals in Drafted and follow up on them. With Drafted, you can decrease your time to hire by 30%, save over $3,000 in cost per hire, and 2 extra referrals in just 90 days. We integrate with tools in your hiring technology stack like Slack, applicant tracking systems, Google, and more to make using Drafted a seamless experience. It's time to back off the cold outreach and turn to network recruiting with Drafted. Happy drafting!